This is job number DA0519. It's a 450-ton slab-side up-acting press and power unit. The press is guarded on the front by light curtains, and the lower moving bolster is protected by skirting that moves with the bolster. The rear of the press and the sides of the press are guarded with bolt-on expanded metal guarding. The power unit sits behind the press overhead tank with an air cooler. We're going to go ahead and run a manual cycle first. We're going to show that the light curtains are in the system going up in manual, but you can open the press in manual and break the light curtain. And then we'll do an auto cycle showing the same situation where the light curtains are always in, going up or down in auto. That was in manual going up. The light curtain is in the circuit. In manual going down, it is not. Okay, now we're going to do an auto cycle. We're going to show that the light curtains are in an auto cycle. Okay, that shows in auto, the light curtains are in going up or down. Now we'll go ahead and do a full auto cycle. We'll let the press close. It'll go into its timer mode with the lights working, and then you have to push the button to open it. Go ahead. Closing the press in auto doesn't require holding any buttons. Press will close. It'll build up to full tonnage and hold for the pre-selected time. Okay, presses up to tonnage. We have the blue light showing that it's in that timer mode. Let it, how long is that time?
A long time.
Is it?
Lights start flashing, so it's green, my time's out.
I kind of like that in the video, but how long is it? Like a minute? Let it go, we'll let it go. We're going to let it go through the timer to show that the light cycles once it's completed. Press is timed out, the light's toggling between green and blue. Now the operator hits the open button. Press decompresses, opens back to the bottom for the next cycle. That completes DA0519.